Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a blazer step by step. Begin by unbuttoning and trying the blazer on over a shirt to assess shoulder seam placement and sleeve length. Move your arms forward and reach to check mobility and detect pulling across the chest. Note any fabric bunching at the back or waist so you can decide between simple tailoring or replacing the piece for a better base fit. Take 3 reliable measurements to guide adjustments and tailoring. Measure shoulder seam to hem to confirm jacket length relative to your torso and height. Measure sleeve length from the shoulder seam to ensure about ½ inch of shirt cuff shows when arms are relaxed. Finally, measure chest across the fullest point while keeping arms relaxed to determine if you need a larger size or tailored taper for a comfortable fit. Quick recommendation and a tiny detour before we continue. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. I saw a book that can truly change how you think about money, Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs as a light read while you wait for tailoring. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on common alterations that make the biggest visual difference. Taking in the waist creates a more flattering silhouette without touching the shoulder structure. Shortening sleeves is a quick fix to reveal the right amount of shirt cuff and improve proportions. Ask your tailor about adjusting vents, darts, or sleeve pitch to eliminate back pooling and ensure the blazer lays smoothly across your frame for a polished, comfortable result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.